Right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Annisa Yuliana from C class. Today I will explain material about language and talk and language processing. The first is what's an idea about language and talk. Think most of it is subvocal talk. Since what some time, however, a great deal of evidence has accumulated for guesses that think and language are separate, talk, relate, and the last abilities. Next is Worf's theory of linguistic determinism. One of Worf's main motivations for proposing linguistic determinism was vocabulary analysis, the Eskimo language. 70 perhaps based on Fernboy's analysis of Eskimos, or conclude that where English has one word now, Eskimo has many. One of the main purposes of language is to express our thought, and the language we use can to influence the way we think and understand the world. Before we had commander word from Star Trek, linguistic, and philosopher Benjamin Lee were for inspiration. The next is the general outline of the mental process of how language is processed. Language is seen as a set of mechanisms and mental processes that operate independently of the cognitive system. Production systems start with conceptual information and ends with a series of speech units. It divides language skill into essential subcomponents and examines its subcomponents separately, which are defined as mental abilities that are domain-specific, genetically determined, with distinct neural structure and computationally, computationally independent. The first is domain-specific, meaning that the mental processing unit processes a certain type of information but does not. Second is different neural structure, meaning that certain brain are involved in certain calculation, and the latter is computationally autonomous, meaning that the mental processing mechanisms work independently of what is happening simultaneously in other processing mechanisms. Okay, the next is the general outline of the mental process of language is understood. To understand how speech production works, it's helpful to look at the first subsection of the system separately. So let's move on. In the process of speech perception, the process of understanding is initiated and considered. Also, comprehension and production are usually treated in independent subjects. Language processing often involves concurrent attempts to make sense of what someone is saying. Okay, thank you. That's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.